How to reset service warning light Perodua Alza Advanced 2024 model car. I will reset the service light using the button switch on the left side of the steering wheel. Keep the car engine running. Click on the left button. You need to find settings. Settings are coming now. Click the down button and scroll down. Scroll down and find the maintenance setting. Maintenance settings are coming. Click the enter button now. Click the down button and scroll down to find the oil change timing notice. Now go to the notification timing setting and press the enter button. To reset the oil change, go to reset and press the enter button. After driving the car for 10,000 kilometers, the engine oil must be changed and reset again. Engine service light has been reset. There is no message now. Now there is no spanner symbol, so now there is no message. Fully synthetic oil must be used for this vehicle.